the potential aging relating degradation mechanisms for the fuel cask. It's my understanding that industry is exploring several repair and mitigation techniques, as well as the use of robotics for inspection. To what extent have you engaged the industry in these matters, and what's been the outcome of that?
So thank you for that question. So what I can tell you is we've been engaged with the industry, specifically with EPRI, through their ESCAPE program. This is extended storage and collaborative programs. And under that program, they have a number of subcommittees, one of which talks about aging management and NDE techniques. And they've been in front of trying to develop techniques to be able to inspect, casks in service. So we've been plugged into that, I think, in lockstep with the industry, understanding how they're progressing in those initiatives. Separately, we do have a contract with PNNL, one of the DOE laboratories, to set up a mock-up of a cask to collaborate with EPRI to actually see how the robotics, how these tools are resulting in the inspections, to actually assess and see can they detect the flaws, can they understand and characterize the flaws. So I think it's progressing well. I think we have confidence in the industry and the direction they're going to be able to inspect these in the future.
Thank you. I yield back.
All right. Well, once again, I want to thank all the staff who have presented at the table and the teams that supported them in doing that. And again, my thanks for all the hard work that's going on in this area and all the public outreach, which I think poses some unique communications challenges. So thank you for your extra diligence on that. And with that, we are adjourned. Thank you.